It seems that you pirated Baby First TV. According to copyright law, piracy is a serious crime. For your safety, please turn off your TV and go to babyfirsttv.com. Anti-piracy, you get 5 chances left. Oh, you didn't turn off your TV. You now only have 4 chances left. Please turn off your TV or you will lose another chance. Seriously, you didn't listen to us again? Come on! All right, 3 chances. Turn off your TV or something bad's going to happen. Please! What did we say? Turn off the TV right now. You're making us mad, and you wouldn't like us when we're mad. There is only 2 more chances left. Turn it off right now.
Starting to get on our last nerves. This is your last chance. I swear. If you don't turn off the TV in 5 seconds, you're not going to like it. You know what? Fuck you.
You never listen. Surprising! You're gonna be sorry, son! This is you!
Nope, not doing it this time.
How dare you not fucking listen to Baby First TV? That's it. As punishment, you are going to be brutally molested by the Playhouse Disney Silver Sun the Indian Bird while they casually shout at you. You are going to be kicked in the balls every day by Dwayne Johnson. You are going to get your teeth knocked out by Rocky Balboa, while you're going to be forced to watch the worst films ever 24/7. Now, goodbye.
We were expecting you.
Absolute destruction!